Okay, hello everyone. We have the new Eureka Even More Blast and Piggy and More Banking, and then the Bat one. Okay, let's give them all a shot. Oh, that would have been a nice first spin. I wish there wasn't a glare over here. Come on. Get something here. I'm gonna throw a 20 in each one and try to double. So far, it's seeming like a very difficult game to hit a feature on. We're not even really getting all that many dynamite. Come on, one more. Might be one that you have to bet higher on, or a different denomination, or just get really, really lucky. Okay, we'll try the piggies next. Really hoping to hit the feature. Once, just keep us in it. Come on, just give us a 3 or 6 of the dynamites. Okay, last one. Okay, looks like next we're going to move over. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, now we're on the Piggy Bank end, and nobody told me I didn't have my card in that last, the Eureka. Ugh, the names. Alright, let's try this. How fun would that be? Get the feature on this one. We just need 3 of the volts. 3 volts. 3 volts will do it. Come on, pop it. Oh, so many coin stacks. Come on. You can do it. Come on, 3 volts, 3 volts. Just give me the 3 volts. Oh, pop the pig. No. Oh. Come on, volts. Oh, these seem too difficult. Come on, one more. Oh, this isn't even fun. Come on, one more. Yeah, so far I am not a fan of this. These are a little too difficult. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Oh, the bat one has a really bad glare. Okay, let's see. We need 3 of the knockers or 6 money amounts. Come on. Come on, 3 knockers. One more. Oh. Yeah. It's gonna play just like the other 2. Darn it. Might be too new. I remember when slots used to have a honeymoon period. They'd put them in, they'd hit real good for a week or 2, and then not anymore. All these games are just so tight. So tight. Oh well. One more knocker. Yeah, I don't know when I'll play these again. I'll play them again at some point. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Well, I finally got just a normal bonus. No will, but oh. Maybe if it keeps that up. Come on. Okay. Might get some money back. Come on. Keep it going. Okay, come on. Come on. Land one. Land one. Ah. Don't think we're major eligible, but we might be able to get a little bit of money back. Come on, 75, 75, 75, 75. Oh, I saw 112, 52, okay. Got a little bit back. Okay, we at least got a bonus. Okay, that was fun. Hey, we got another one. Finally. Oh, okay, it drops them real good off the beginning. It just goes dead. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. At least that second, yeah. At least needed that one. Come on, one more. Come on. Do we want a minor? Take a minor. Minor, 49er, 75. Nice. Yeah, we wanted that one. Okay, my new favorite game. I know I said I didn't like them, but now it's my new favorite game. Okay. How are you all enjoying my new favorite game? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I finally hit free spins on this game. Let's see what they do. Hopefully they're good. Hopefully we can get something out of this. Fish, yours? Still got 2 spins. Come on. Oh, that was interesting. Hello, everyone. We have this new mystery of the lamps out here at Red Hawk Casino. This one has a guy on it instead of a lady. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but let's hope we can land something here. Okay. We need okay, we got a blue. Let's see what this does. Flurry. We want that cyclone. Maybe we can get the cyclone? Oh, okay. I guess it stamps down, but then we have to still land stuff in those squares. Cyclone. Okay, we got the cyclone. Let's see what it does. Okay, 3x. Okay, I guess it just makes that row wild. Okay. That blew me away. Another cyclone. 3x. Okay. Okay, another cyclone. Oh, plus $1. Whirlwind of winning. Where's it gonna put it? Another 3x. Oh, okay. Put it over where there's nothing. Oh, come on. Land something. Oh, thank God. Whirlwind of fortune. Okay. Oh, that'd be great. But yeah. Okay.
Multiply that, would you?
Guess we got another cyclone. It's got to put it on that end rail. Yeah. Come on, where's some more flurries? Oh. Okay.
Cyclone!
I don't know what that's going to do now. Okay. I guess I can up the existing one.
Cyclone!
Okay, come on. Another 2. And save it anywhere? No. Ah, boo. But now I guess it's gonna boost.
yours.
Yeah. I don't know. I know I'm just minimum betting, but still. I expect something a little bit better out of it. It seems like a really hard game to even land the gems or the jewels. The button wouldn't go on. I thought I had something. Yeah, come on. Okay, I'm gonna stop at 60. I had high hopes, but I don't know. Pop it. No. Okay, last one. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Okay, here we go. Let's get lots of full stacks. Come on. More than that, more than that. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Ah. I wish there wasn't such a bad glare on this machine. Oh, that's right. Come on. Oh no. Did I just screw myself? No, we need doubles. Doubles and triples. Come on. Where are you at? I have never had a bonus do this. Wow. Wow, that was really bad. I've never had one do that to me.